What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you the creek. This is a Palm Creek. If you guys never been in a Palm Creek before, try to come here. Palm Creek, the entrance $25 for adult and $15 for children, and for baby is free. And these are the things that you guys will see once you come here. This is the palm tree. It has a pre-cottage that you can use. But if you guys want to rent the big cottage, you can rent it for $150. But this one is free, and they have this as well. They have the grill. It's a free grill. So I brought my own grill here, and as you see, and this is my grill. I got my own grill. And this is my marinated meat. I have pork, beef, and chicken, and I have a hot dog as well. So as you see, so we enjoy our camping weekend here in Palm Creek RV Resort. And it's a beautiful place that you guys to hang out. You see, well, as you see, that's a creek, and if I'm not mistaken, this creek is connected to a Lake Mead as well. So if you guys would like to come, I will highly recommend you guys. Look at the cottage. The cottage is all free, and even the barbecue grill, charcoal grill. The place is so nice, and the right now it's 105 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, summertime, month of June. And you see the place. They try to develop this place, or probably expand, put more cottage to this side. And that's my family right there. They put the tent. And a lot of palm trees out here. I think this Pampa Creek and RV Resort, it's probably family owned, and it's a beautiful place. That's what I'm saying right now. A lot of people are coming here. Right now it's Friday, start of the weekend, and we're supposed to come here on Thursday, but I have some body ache because I fixed the brake pads and rotor of my Mitsubishi Outlander, and I have some body ache. So I decided not to come here yesterday. So I changed my schedule. I decided to come right now, and it's worth it. It's a long drive from the place where I live. I live in southeast. I live in Hollywood, Las Vegas, and this is a little bit not that far, but it's about 57 miles from the place where I live. 1 hour drive, and it's worth it for my family to experience. My children, they will swim. They know the basic. They have the basic swimming lesson. But I need to put a life jacket so that they're not gonna get drowned. The water is shallow, and they have a lifeguard, but you need to secure your children. If you have a children, let them wear the life jacket. And if you guys have a lifeboat or a inflated boat, you can use it as well. So far, take a look at this. Take a look at my barbecue. It's my barbecue right now. I'm chilling out. and I'm enjoying this barbecue. This grill, this is a beef and chicken and pork. I got this portable charcoal grill, the smokeless. They said this is smokeless and it's powered by 1.5 battery. You need to put 4 of those battery underneath, and there's a switch that you can use it. I highly recommend you guys, if you guys do camping like what we used to do. If you guys will come here, no need for you to take this one, but I would rather use my own grill, because I love to grill with this portable grill, and I'm satisfied. Later on, I'm gonna grill that hot dog, and yeah, that's the way it is. And that's our tent. So we created our own tent, and that's my boy. Say hi.
Hi.
Say Jacob hi.
Nom.
Hi, that's my boy.
He has chinky eyes.
Yeah, that's my door. And that's my boy Tisoy. Say hi. And we have also the rice. So, and brought also some of my stuff here. This cart, the Osaka Trail. And I have also a chair. But they provided the chair, so you don't need to bring your own chair. But I recommend you guys don't bring your chair. But I decided to take my chair with us. And later on, my children will swim to that creek, and they will enjoy their weekend day. So I hope you guys keep tuning to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Again, this is a Palm Creek RV and Resort. May you guys have a wonderful day today. May God bless you all. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching my YouTube channel. If you guys found my videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. Again, this is a good place for your family to hang out at Palm Creek Resort, RV and Resort. Entrance only $25 for adult, and $15 for children. Baby is free. There you go. Look at that. Look at our tent. So we can sleep there. So we probably stay here until I don't know, probably around right now it's 12:25 p.m. Probably we stay here until 5, and then we're gonna take off. And my children will have they have a karate training, and we're going to attend the karate training. Okay guys, thanks for watching guys. May God bless you all. Thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video.